Hello everyone. I think that my cameras are very awful. I'm gonna change cameras, and I hope that you guys don't get mad at me because this is a live. This is a little different, you know. Live, for instance, other times we have. Mm, mm, I'm gonna go ahead and take these, and I wasn't prepared. I tried to figure out the technical part of the life, and that's one of the things they have issues with. I tried to go live with, but the Zoom was creating a late effect. So I hope that you guys understand me and forgive me because this is not something that I was aware of, and I'm not really good at going live yet. So this is my first live, and I'm not the best. I'm not the best at it. Okay, right now I'm gonna see if I can switch the camera, and I don't have idea what to do in this aspect. Mhm. One of the things that I wanted to talk about is AI for businesses. AI is right now one of the best things that you can do to streamline your business. Unfortunately, a lot of people they getting into it, and they 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 make a mistake using the wrong thing, and then next thing you know, they can get paid thousands of dollars, and they get discouraged because they thinking that AI is not for them. It's not about not being for them. Is the thing is AI is for everybody. It's just the thing is you need to know how to use it. And the main thing, a lot of people they don't understand that AI is not very friendly when it comes to put garbage in, garbage out, right? So you put a bunch of crap that's not good, and you don't understand the procedure. That's something that you're gonna be paying the price for it, and you don't want to go screwed up all your life, all your business is just over over. Oh, I try to make everything. This is not my place, okay? So I'm trying to figure out also the area. Okay. So what I was thinking to do is show you this presentation. What it means is transforming your work and AI driving growth for businesses, professionals, and businesses. Okay. My name is Georgina Salgado Chavez. I'm an AI strategist, an implementation expert, and I wanted to put this one here. Well, now you know the AI is not in the talkings; it's here, and some people are gonna use it. And as soon as you use it, you're gonna start experiencing the next factor: increase productivity by 30%, increase revenue more than 40%. Entrepreneurs, professionals, business owners, leaders. This is these webinars for. Um, my promise to you is properly integrated AI will make you more profitable, productive, and powerful. If you know how to use AI, it will change the whole game for you, for your workflow, and also for your outcome. Why you need to take action now? You need to take action now because 90% of the world businesses are exploring and implementing AI. Is AI helping business grow a shocking faster rate, estimated 37%? Why you need to take action now? Only 2% are implementing it at the rate that you need to serve their market. Now, the ones that they say that they get there first, you remember when the internet came along, the people that got in there first, the marketers that make tons of money, they were making money left and right because they did it first. It was not that difficult. Nowadays, it's a little bit more difficult. People take a little long time. It's a trend right now in the industry that they call it the unicorn companies. What it means is the one company that has one person, the owner, in charge, and the rest of it is AI because they can move faster. Why is implementation so slow? Overwhelmed. 48,000 AI tools, 13,000 tasks, 5,000 plus jobs. No idea what's possible whenever to apply AI. Scared of the system impact, resistant to reduce human experience, can feel effort and expensive. One of the things that I heard over and over and over with people when they try to implement AI is the fear of losing their job. And regardless of what fear do you have, AI is here to stay. And one of the things that you have to understand, the AI cannot take your job if you're not allowing it. If you wanted to do something, is pivot and implement AI and become more useful in our times. So what I always tell my people is I use human-centered AI solutions. Why? Because in the end of the day, I try to empower human beings versus using AI to destroy someone's job. Companies that are working with professionals create proper strategies, roadmap, implementation, and approach, and change management successfully. One of the things that I see a lot in this side of the call, people wanted to implement just a process. For instance, AI voice, and that's it. And they're thinking that that's it. But if you go ahead and implement something that is required for your business and is tailored for your business, probably you can get more out of it. You can get a bigger ROI. I work as adding bonus to the company. For instance, what I try to do is I add myself into the company and try to be a part of the company as a partner, because if you work in that ownership, you can go ahead and do more. Some of the companies, they don't understand that you have a strategy and implementation at the same time. You can go ahead and accomplish a little bit more than just do one, just implementing random gigs of AI. Building the gap between executive vision and technical execution within 4 years of experience. Like I said, my name is Georgina Salgado Chavez, and I help organizations to navigate the transition from manual workflows to AI-driven efficiency, from initial audits to final implementation, and ensure for AI strategy is ensure scalable and sustainable. That's the main thing in business. You cannot just get a gig, put any toy, basically, with AI toy, and start implementing it, that they don't help you in your overall goals and vision of the company. You have to adapt all the processes to your goal, to your vision, to your company itself. I cannot come here and put something in place. They're going to destroy most of your life's work, because that's not how it works. Every company has a value, and that value we want to make it uplifted versus they just destroy it. How AI is transforming businesses. This is my avatar. I have several avatars. And sometimes I do this to show what you can do, how easy it is to do this kind of avatars. I have another ones, couple of other ones. I don't really like to do much about my avatar. I like to show the human beings they have a place. For instance, this video, I don't try to use AI. It seems like more artificial for me, and I like more the personal touch as well. How AI is transforming business. A few key highlights: personal and scale conversion of AI's chatbots, better decision making, data, LLMs assisting you processes, accurate trend predictions with research agents. Now, right now, the agent part of it is agentic. What it means, more than one agent working together. Also, to if you are familiar with automation, they put agents and automation together to make it more powerful and more predictable, and works all the time without saying anything. Now, it can be expensive, yeah, but it can be cheaper too, comparing to how much you can pay an employee. So it's just so many different things that you can approach. Agent AI, multi-agent AI, intelligent workflows. It's all these other type of things that you can do. Education, understanding strategy, paradigm shifts, etc. Assets, design, communications. Okay. We gotta go ahead and give you. I always give you a demo with my avatar. This is interesting to see what you can do in AI. Now, one of the things that I wanted that you guys understand it is AI is not for everyone. AI is for those that they wanted to exponential themselves to 10x self. I have issues with some people that they don't want to implement it. They are just scared. They're scared to the point where they cannot use it. But other people that they use it, for instance, I have companies that do construction. Whatever they do in 4 or 5 hours, you can streamline it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Basically, what it takes longer is to upload your data, to put the prompt, to make sure that everything is right, and send it. Then AI spit up everything, and whatever you're supposed to do in 4 hours, now you have 15, 20 minutes and you're done. You're done. And that's how bad or how good it is, AI. Now, I have people to use it for estimating, for takeoffs, for preparing apps, no-code apps, to prepare code. I mean, I use it a lot for HTML code for my website, for everybody else. Sometimes I have friends that say, "Oh, that's your website. Can I do something for you? We can be why you imagine that?" And then they say, "Okay, this," and I make the little code. You can do mini apps in your own website. I mean, the ideas are endless. You can go ahead and create content. I have used it with some of my clients to create blogs, to create for them to create content like pictures and I'm posting the real posting. So what you can do is endless, as long as you know what you want, and you have to have a strategy. You cannot just start creating posts, because you're just going to waste your time, and you're going to waste your money, and you're going to waste everything. So if we have something in mind, you have a goal, and you know where your company is going to go, then so you have to go ahead and use AI. So if you have any questions or you have any needs for AI consultant, please show me I understand that I'm not a typical AI consultant, but I am very effective in what I do. So you have my website in there and my email. You can go ahead and shout at me and ask me. We can give you a 15 minutes presentation. And if we are not good fit, that's fine. One of the things they're going to tell you, I don't take everybody. I take 5 customers a month. It's not that much. And I prefer not to take the rest of it. First of all, because I don't want it to look bad and not to do what I'm supposed to be doing. And the other thing is because I am very picky of who I'm working with. I'd rather to see results rather than just getting a bunch of people that they don't get results and I get bad rep. All right. So shout me, and my email is somewhere there, and also my website.